Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Designhill for branding services and templates, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Designhill website. Look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see options to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and input it in the password field. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, and then click on the checkbox to agree. After filling out all required fields, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Open your email and click on the verification link provided by Designhill. Once verified, return to the Designhill website. Log in using your registered email and password. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the home page. Explore the various branding services available, such as logo design, business cards, and social media kits. To find templates, click on the Templates section from the menu. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific templates you need. Once you find a template you like, click on it for more details. Review the template's features and customization options. When you are ready, click on the Get Started button for that template. Follow the prompts to customize the template per your branding needs. After making your customizations, you can save your design. Finally, to finalize your subscription for ongoing services, navigate to the Pricing Plans page. Choose a suitable plan that meets your branding needs and click on it. Follow the instructions to enter your payment information and complete the subscription process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.